Oh, hello guys. I am in the my place. I am hometown right now, and now I am out of my room, and now you can see the fields behind me because I am sitting on the. I can say it's a path or it's a way to go to their fields. It's a common path I can say, and I am sitting here and I am not feeling to make this video and capture my video because I skipped yesterday of practicing in English. This is my first day of when I skip a day for English speaking and listening as well, because yesterday was a celebration of there was a festival of Deepavali. This is why I skipped a day. This was not intentional, but I don't have time. I really didn't have time, so I just skipped yesterday for English speaking, and I you know didn't upload any video last 2 days. You know what? I make videos. I captured the videos. You know, while I speak in English. Now I am just for example. You can see I am speaking with you, but I didn't upload. Reason is simple because there is no good network connection here, and the network is so slow in my village. This is why I did not able to upload the video, and I am just outside. This is because to upload the videos on YouTube, and I am sitting here, so I was scrolling videos here, scrolling reels on Instagram, and scrolling videos on YouTube. So I decided to capture myself. Why I should not capture myself while I will speaking? Because I don't want to skip today. I will skip at any cost today, because no problem. It's skipped one day, no problem, but I don't want to make this habit again, and that was not intentional. This is why I am not regretting about that, and but now I am, you can see, this is the a tree behind me. You can see there are these are the different kinds of tree, you can see, and now I am showing you something. You can see these are the bundles of oh my god, this is the horse. You can see spacing here and there, and I was just scared, like who is coming towards me, and like I was see it's a horse pacing here and there. I don't know why, and he is grassing the grass, and now oh my god, he is why he is not tied. I don't know where is its master, and he is he has been untied. This is why he is pacer, and you can see the horse. The horse is pacing here and there, running here and there all over the grounds, and you can see there is no one behind and around me. I am sitting all alone, and there is a call. I will see you. Hello. Now I am continuing this video from now. And you can see I am on my roof, and this is the another house where no one lives. This is why this is the condition of this roof. You can see the grass all over the roof. And if I talk about, this is the condition of our roof, and I am sitting on my roof, and I am practicing with myself. You know what? Should I show you something? If I show you, you can see this is the condition of our roof, and you can see there is a kid and another I don't know what to say when people hang the clothes on a rope, and when a man hang out, we can say, if I hang out the clothes from the roof, from the rope, not roof. Hang out means when a person drink and something, we can say hang out, or chilling something, we can't say. And you can see, this is a tree, you can see. And now you can see the different kinds of words all over the tree. Some are pigeon, some are different kinds of bird. I don't even know the name of these kinds of words. You can see the parrot, you can see the parrots, and peacock, and many other kinds of birds lives on the tree, on this tree as well, because it's a big tree. And now I feel some sigh because of there is a you know I don't want someone could hear me. I don't want to no one listen to me. I want to practice all alone, and I want to search such a place so that no one can hear me while I will speak in English, even though I'm also a beginner. And I don't, this is why I don't want to someone listen to me when I speak it out, because most of the time I make mistakes, and I don't want someone notice me while I makes mistakes. I don't want to make my laugh. I don't want someone how can I say, I don't want someone makes laugh, making fun of me. Yes, this is the correct, I can say this is the correct sentence. I don't want someone make me laugh. This is correct in English. And now I am sitting on my roof, and you can see, and this is the, you can see behind me, this is the another houses and homes, we can say. House, what is the difference between house and home? Home, where a family lives. House means where no one lives, it's only a building. But when a family enter in a house, we say it's a home, not house. House solely a building. Home means a family lives here with with their loved ones. This is why you can see. And now you can see this is the temple behind me, and besides me you can see behind means back to my backside. Behind means backside, and beside means besides. This is why you can see the temple. The temple, I don't even have a topic to speak on. This is why I want to share all of the things, even though it's a little thing for me, even though it's a big thing for me. I want to describe from my own words. This is why I am want to express my own thoughts on that point of things and point of view, you can say. And I am just sharing, and I don't have topic to speak on. This is why I find some topics. And this is surely for when a YouTube, not a YouTube, I can say, this is some kinds of I am making video. There is a YouTube blogger, video blogger, I can say. And video blogger seek some topic to cover in their blogs. And this is how I am seeking some topic to speak on. I just want to seek some topics, seek some thing to speak on. This is my soul and whole things, because if I don't have any topic to speak on, how can I describe, and how can I push my mind to think in English, and how my mind will, give signals to my tongue and give words to my tongue to, speak it out, and how my, mind structured a sentence for me to speak it out. This is why I, sometimes I want to, create a topic for me to speak. And you can see, you this is, behind me, you can see this is the, primary school behind me. You can see this is the school behind me, and I, already studied here till 6th class, and 7th class I, left this school, but it's a really good school. And you can see I lives here and my school is there, and I, used to enjoy to go this school, and it's, really good school. It's a CBSE school, CBSE recognized school, I can say. This CBSE recognized means study material will be in, English medium, and UP medium, I can say it's a Hindi medium, and I, studied in CBSE medium, I can say, and you can understand. And but I don't even, I don't even able to speak in English, even though I am from, CBSE board, because I studied English only for exams, and I, get, how can I say, I get high score, and I scored, well in my, academic. But when it's time to, do something in my career, you know through speaking, I don't have, this skill to speak in English, even though I have, you know good marks in English. I scored good marks in English, but I don't even, able to speak in English. This is why I am struggling right now to learning English, to, gathering English, to lives in English, because English is not a subject. English speaking is not a subject anymore, so that I can, finish syllabus during a time. It's, maybe depends on, your progress. If you are giving your, English speaking 2 hours, and if one person giving, 1 hour daily, who will progress, more efficiently, more fast? Obviously, who, lives English in 2 hours, who gives time to ourselves 2 hours daily. I am talking about daily, not, once a week or twice a month. I am talking, if you are, want to really want to, grow your English, grow your knowledge, grow your, skill, you just have to work on daily basis on that skill, because, skill is a habit. If you do on the daily basis, you progress, day by day. You gather brick one by one. And if you, want to build a building, you just have to put one brick. It's start by a one brick. If you, put one by one brick, building, not build within a, day. It's, build, it takes some time. A great, I'm talking about great building, I'm not talking about four walls. I'm talking about a home, I can say. And home doesn't, built one day. Home built, it may take some time to build. And we have, we should have bricks and some kinds of material. Understand what I'm saying? This is why, if you want to really gain your English fluency, and I am just, on my journey, I can say, and I am just what I am, covering, and what I am gathering, and on what topic I am, focusing. My first priority is speaking, second priority is listening, first priority and second priority, you can say this is a similar type of, because listening is most important and speaking is also most important. And there is another kind of activity I do usually. I write, because if I want to make my English correctly, and if I want to write some correctly and grammatically correct should be, so I just have to write it down. If I write, I remember the meaning of that word, I remember the grammatical sentence structure. This is why writing is important, reading is most important. I already have made a habit of reading. I you know if I talk about, okay, I read 10 page daily, at least 10 page. It's a minimum number, because it's a time of festival. This is why I don't have time even read. I skipped yesterday for reading, listening, speaking. I skipped, but I am not regretting, because it's a festival. And I don't even I am even capturing this video myself, but I am not able to upload this video. I don't know how much time it may takes to upload, because in my village there is no good connection, network connection. I just try to upload video. I already try to upload since morning, but no video uploading till now. It's already on progress on YouTube. This is why there is no 5G connection. It's a 4G connection, but it's 4G connection is not good in my village, I can say. And I have no Wi-Fi, because I not doesn't lives here. So this is why I didn't take connection of Wi-Fi. This is why, and it may take some time. And I guess this is all about my day, and I am not feeling to make these videos, because I came to my hometown yesterday, and from yesterday I have stomach ache. I want to just, I am making this simple, because there is a pain in my stomach. This is the simple sentence. There is a pain, you know, from yesterday and till now, and I am feeling like so lazy. I feel like, let's lie down. Let's lay down. Lay down, lie down. Lay means lay a lie. I don't know what. I know the difference, but I can't and I don't able to make you understand what's the really difference in lie down and lay down. And I'm just sitting, and I especially come to my roof, come on the roof to make you know this kinds of video, these kinds of video. And now I'm just going to my room. So there's a family. I feel shy to make video in front of my family. I'm not used to these kinds of activity. This is why I'm sit on my roof to making this video, because there is no one on my roof, and there is no one even around me who can look at me. There is no one, and I am a soul. I can say I am lonely here to make this video. I am all alone here, and there is no one who can looks me. There is no one. This is why I am freely speaking. And if I talk about my family, no one but I feel shy. No one will say anything, but I feel shy in front of my family to make videos, because I didn't do that such kinds of things. This is why it's all about today. Let's bye.